Hi, welcome here to the Sunshine Barn. Let me show you around. There's so many activities to do. Right here, as you can see, we have a little bit of, I think it's called shuffleboard. Correct me if I'm wrong. Here we have air hockey. The kids have had a great time on this. They have a Mortal Kombat game. There is also Pac-Man, but it's not just Pac-Man. There's like 50 some other games on here, which is amazing.
For 1942 on it.
Show off. Right here you have a poker table where we played Uno last night, which was a lot of fun. Over here, Lloyd is showing you the pool table. Then this way, this is the gamer's entertainment system. This is, so there's 3 TVs. One is for the Wii, there's one for your Nintendo Switch. You have a docking station, but you do have to bring your own Nintendo Switch. This is for TV. This one, you can sign the book if you're a guest. Then we have foosball, but wait, we're not done. This is still going. Now I will show you on this side, this is your kitchen area. You have your sink, we just washed dishes, so forgive me for that, but it's a toaster oven, a toaster, hot plates, Keurig, microwave. They basically have everything you could possibly need. You have a little fridge, which is really cool. Nice kitchen table. I think they said it sleeps 11. Oh wait, I forgot. Over there's a fishing pole, and that's also where you'll find your badminton equipment. We'll show you that when we get outside. All right, come with me. Here is the bathroom. It has a nice big farm sink. Nice shower.
It's really heavy on these, so I would recommend turning them on slowly. Just a pro tip on that one.
There you go. All right, so moving forward, we're gonna head upstairs. That's where we slept last night. And I'm gonna be honest with you, I didn't even bring in my pillow. And the fact that I didn't bring my own pillow tells you that the bed slept good.
What kind of pillow is that you have?
Oh, it's a black diamond Sealy, I think. So here you have the upstairs. Now, they do provide a pack and play if you have a little baby, which is always nice. If you've ever had kids, you know. This is where we slept last night. It is super comfortable. The pillows were great. You have your own TV. They provide extra blankets. There is a first aid kit down here at the bottom. Also, there's a first aid kit downstairs. So just in case, if you need something to read, they have that available for you. Right here we have the bunk beds. Killian slept down at the bottom. Mila slept at the top. This house just continues. So wait, there's more.
What about the card area, like where our games are?
Oh, I did. Let's go. I'm coming. I totally forgot about all the games. How did I forget all the games?
This out. This is actually a handrail from the New York subway from back in the day.
So, all the games. When I say all the games, they have all the games. So, Mila, open the gates. Let's see. You do the little ones, and I'll do the tall ones. Woo! Somehow, how'd that happen? Anyway, I'll pick that up in a minute. So, this is all the games. We played Uno out of all these games and a Rubik's Cube, obviously. Come with me, there's more. You got putt-putt. Y'all totally walked by it and didn't see it on the way in. Right here, this is AstroTurf. We found this out last night, which is super nice because you don't have to worry about tearing up somebody's grass, right? We're gonna start this way. So right here you have your badminton. As you can see, they were playing it a little bit earlier. We're gonna continue, and then I'm gonna show you all the extra activities they have. They have this nice double swing right here, which is super comfortable. We tested it out, gave it a go. Then you have the hammock. Lloyd gave the hammock a test, said 10 out of 10, does approve. This right here is the hot tub. Now I did test this out, and when they say it's a hot tub, they mean it's a hot tub. It was hot. They do have grills here. They have nice patio seating. This is a shared area between you and the host. If you want to use the grills, they do ask that you ask them first.
They got instructions on everything, though.
It is amazing that they have instructions on everything.
Anything upfront.
It makes it very...
There's instructions on everything.
It makes it...
Everything.
It makes it easy to use. So you have this area. This is right here. Whew, I can't see. This right here is a fire pit, which is covered because it's, I don't know, probably like 75 degrees today.
They do ask if you use this one to come and ask them about it or call them. You message them. They do not want you coming to their property.
Correct. So they.
Right here, there's got a stop sign. Like this walkway is for them. This is their area. You're not allowed.
That's their personal space. Over here is the pool. The pool does cost additional. However, during the summer, I think it would be a great option. We're not done, come on. We're gonna head down. There's a park on site. If you have kids, that's like amazing. That's like free entertainment. And it also gets them outside in the sunshine, so they get a little bit of vitamin D. So they have this nice, big park for them to play on. They have cornhole set up back here in the back. So you can putt right here if you wanna practice your putting skills. Then if you go this direction, they have horseshoes. They have cornhole, but wait, there's more. There's geese. So that is a fully stocked pond. You are allowed to go fishing in it. That is included with the barn rental. But wait, there's more. So I found this out earlier as I was walking around randomly, that there is a basketball court on site. We didn't know this until what, like 30 minutes ago?
Something like that.
So I want to make sure that it's pointed out. Now, one of the rules of the house is that you have to take the trash out before you leave, which is easy enough. Anybody should be able to do that. They do have a dumpster provided on site, so you don't have to go anywhere additional to get rid of the trash. Right here is the basketball court that I was telling you about. They provide everything. Like when I tell you that we had zero wants while we were here, we had zero wants. Like, I want to live here. If I lived here, I would live here permanently and never leave. Amazon would be on here every 35 seconds. So that being said, I 100% recommend this place for the price. The price point on it was amazing. We were gonna stay in DC, but it was gonna be like $300 and some a night. Nah, this was cheaper and this is way better. So that being said, you gotta come.